Hello everybody, today I'm gonna show you how to cut this durian. Anybody know about this durian? Because they cut whole Bible says this is a stinky food durian right here. Okay, this is from Thailand. They anywhere from warm countries, so they can grow. Even where I come from, Laos, Laos, we got durian too because my grandfather had durian, big tree. So this is how the durian look like. Okay, I bought this from Chinese market. This sell $3.99 a pound. So this total right here is about almost $20. It's worth it because I love durian. You know, durian is good for you. So many benefits. You need to know. You can Google, take a look at what benefit of durian. Okay, but this is so good. I'm just buying it. I have to say fresh because you can cut on your own. This is like a narrow, very hard. I'm gonna show you how to cut. Okay. Okay. First of all, I'm gonna take the bag out first. Put this bag right here. This is. Be careful because this is like a narrow. You can hurt it. Let me take this one off. Okay. Take this bag off. The net right here. Take it out. All right. Now I'm gonna cut. See the line right here? You can cut by line because the fruit. This is the fruit right here. This is the fruit. This is the fruit. So you can go by line. This is very fair. I can see that. Okay, I'm gonna show you how to cut this one. Okay, first I'm gonna go right here, the line right here. So just go ahead, go by the line right here. Okay. Right, let's go cut by the line. Go by the line right there. Okay, it's open right now. Alright. It's open right now. See that? That's durian right here. Alright, I'm gonna take this one out from the shell. Show you how to take it out. Let's cut another cut right here. Like that. Basically, I'm not expert to cut the durian, so okay, here you go. Open like that. Okay, let me put in the place. Okay, take a look closer. It's open like that, so I take a scoop out like this. This is a durian right here. Okay, and the seed too. You can eat the seed too. This durian right here. Oh, that's so good. Very creamy and sweet. Everything so good, and a lot of benefits. They put it in a frozen, that's why they look like this. Alright. So good. Here, that's another one right here. I'm gonna scoop out right here. Tastes so good. Just like that, you see that? Beautiful. Alright, let's cut another one. Okay, one big one right here. I'm gonna go ahead and cut another one out. Open it up. See that? Oh, wow, look at that. Look at that. And take the scoop out right here. You can make a sticky white durian. You can make a smoothie. Oh my God, I will make smoothie. A lot of customers love it too because it's very different. That's what everybody talk about. Durian stinky. Oh yeah, it's stinky, but it's benefit. It tastes so good when you eat it. Creamy, yummy. So good. You know, they're very unique. They have the shell like very hard to get into. Look at this. Very hard to get into. And now here come full scoop like that. Okay, and another one go through. I have two more to go. So what I do, just open this up. Oh, look at that. This is the best one right here, the best part right here. Look. Just open this. Put it like that. Look at this. Scoop out. This is one right here. Have the seed in there too. Okay, and this is one big one. No, this is two. This is another seed right here. That's another seed right here. And this is another one. That's it. It's done. Just like that. Look, this is shell. Just look like that. I mean, it's not easy to open, but it's not that bad. If you love to eat, you know how to open. That's what I'm gonna tell you. You don't believe it. There's one more left right here. I thought it's all gone. So one more right here. Wow, look at this. One more. Okay, let's clean up. And I'm gonna show you how to eat. This is how durian look like, guys. It's creamy, have the seed in there. And the seed you don't have to throw away. You can keep the seed and boil and eat it just like everything else. This is benefit. This is where I come from, Laos and Thailand. And we eat durian all year round. We crazy about this. It's so good. And too much benefit. Look up, see what benefit. Why we all Asian people crazy about this, you know? So look up and see what's going on. And I'm show you how to cut. And that's how durian look like. I show you. It's not that easy, but if you love to eat, you have to know how to cut. That's all. So I'm gonna show you how to eat. Let's see how it tastes. Okay, now you get a taste. Here you go. Here's a spoon. You can have that piece. I'm gonna show you how to eat this one and tell how it tastes. Go ahead, taste one. Take from here.
Okay.
You can get from that spoon. Right there. Tell me.
It's soft, sweet. Just the texture is soft, kind of like
Creamy.
Yeah,
Creamy
it's creamy.
Okay.
But it's sweet.
So good. It's delicious, guys. So good. Creamy and really sweet and like a kind of butter on the own, you know.
Basically, it's kind of like
so good.
like a natural pudding.
It's just so good.
It's like kind of like it's like a natural pudding, but it's sweet, but it has a strong smell. I don't see why so many people are afraid to eat this.
Oh my God, this is crazy good.
If it's your first time eating it, then just take small pieces at a time. You don't have to, get big chunks like you've been eating it for a long time. But
it's so good.
It's okay. It must be special because what you have to go through to get to this stuff. The outer shell of it is spiky. It'll kill you if it hits you in the head.
This seed right here, you can boil it, eat it again. Don't throw away this seed either. It tastes like a bean and potato. It's very good. See? So delicious.
Andrew Zimmons said he couldn't eat this fruit. Shame on him.
He crazy. He go around the world.
Because he got everybody thinking this is like the worst thing to eat in the world, and it's not actually.
This is so good. You can make sticky rice flavor, put a sticky rice coconut, steamed sticky rice put in there, and coconut and sugar a little bit. Or you can make a smoothie. I have a food truck. I make a smoothie. A lot of people ask for. A lot of people don't know how to eat. A lot of people want to eat it.
Yeah.
Very good. If you don't finish this, I can put in the freezer eat another day. Because that's a whole lot. Basically, you can eat one or two only. If you eat too much, you're gonna get like a lot of caffeine. Basically, get over high. But eat some, just enough, one or two or three. That's it. So good. Love it.
Not bad.
Not bad,
Not
right?
bad.
Yep, this is durian look like. If you see in the Chinese market in the frozen, you want to try, go ahead try it. About $15, $16, $17, depends how big you take. The more the big, the more they have it for $3.99 a pound, So good. This is crazy good. Okay guys, I show you how to cut durian and I show you how to eat. I show how durian look like and a lot of benefit, and you can take a look at what benefit durian in here, so you can Google and take a look at a whole lot of benefits. So that's why we eating. So I heard a lot of calcium or something like that, and a lot of fiber too. You can be digesting like good digest. Take this piece right here, very good piece. Take that piece. Yeah, this is so good. I wish I at Laos and Thailand, so I can pick up from the tree and eat very fresh. You know, I wish I'd be there, but right now it's okay. I'm here. They have everything here for me, so just buy from the frozen. It's okay too. You know, no problem. Yeah. So good. Yep. Alright guys, I show you how to eat, how to cut, how to look like, and if you like this video, thumbs up, subscribe for me, and I will show you more of the food you never see in United States. So where I come from, I see a whole lot of food. I will show you more how to eat this, okay? So keep following me and thumbs up, subscribe, make me happy. Thank you so much, and I see you next video. Thank you, bye bye, thanks, see you later. Okay, I just finished cut durian. I just show you how to cut. Now I'm gonna go ahead show you how to make smoothie, right? I'm gonna go ahead put in the blender, throw it down right here. This is about three seed durian right here, and then this is ice. Make a smoothie. This is so good. And I'm gonna go ahead put a little bit sugar because I don't want too sweet. Just want a smoothie, and I'm gonna add on the water. Add on the water about just 1/4. Just about 1/4. That's it. I'm gonna put almond milk, so cause I don't like half and half. So almond milk is kind of natural to me. Thin soy milk. Alright, just drop in a little bit. That's it. Okay, let's go blend it. So easy. Let's start it. Let's go. Right here. Okay, let's start smoothie. Okay. Done. Okay, that's done. Let's go put in the glass, in the cup, and that's gonna be a good smoothie right here. You know, if you like more sugar, you always add, but I don't like too much sugar. I just want just natural taste. Just put a little bit only. Okay, here's smoothie. Durian smoothie ready. That's a drink. Look at that guy. How good looking. Let me taste. Oh, so good. It's very good. Yeah, you know, so good, guys. Okay, durian smoothie. You can do that, and that's what everybody asks for, because nobody doing this, only I am doing this. So some people love, some people don't. Okay, I love it. Durian smoothie. There you have it.